Now to the creepy clown sighting in Largo. Today, the Now's Nicole Grigg tracked down the mother of the teenage girl who claimed she was chased by someone in a clown costume. Something being reported in several cities across the country right now. Now local law enforcement, they're emphasizing there is nothing to laugh about.
About 6:20.
Wednesday morning, Shakita Elliott got a call from her daughter.
She says, "Oh my God, Mom, I just was chased by clowns."
Today, her mother met us near the bus stop off Trotter Road in Largo where it happened.
They seen something in the bushes.
Those bushes were right by this small ditch, and that's where they say the creepy clown came from.